Hello, my dear students. How are you? Welcome to Mahdi English School. Myself, Nilofer Miss, and the subject is mathematics. And this online session is for the students of class 2. So, are you all ready to attend this lecture? So, students, as you know that every day we are starting our lecture with the quote. So I have also a quote today for you, that never stop wondering and asking questions. Wondering, it means to imagine something, that what is this thing you can imagine. I hope that you are understanding what is the imagination. And asking question, never stop asking question. If you have any doubt regarding any topic, if any questions come into your mind, so never stop it. Just whenever you have any question into your mind, just ask it. So don't stop it. Now let's start the today's online session with the chapter number 7, which is the multiplication. And students, I am just request to you all that please remember the tables, please learn the tables. And I just repeat and repeat in every lecture that if you are not doing tables, you are not able to understand any concept and also solve the sums by yourself. So please write and learn the tables every day. If I am not sending homework that write 1 to 10 tables in the group, therefore you have to write down the tables into your book, rough book, and try to remember and learn the tables. Table will helpful to you throughout the multiplication chapter and division also. Right now we are not focusing on division, we are just doing the multiplication. But for the multiplication, table is a necessary thing. So students, please learn and write the tables and try to remember it. And you have to remember the tables, otherwise the concept will bounce, and you have to understood this and you have to remember the tables. Now let's revise the previous topic first. So in the previous lecture we had done this worksheet. So according to the group, we have to put the dots, we have to put the small circles in the groups. So one has been done for you. You can see this, here is 2 5s. It means there are 2 groups and we have to put 5 small circles in each group. And here you can see this, already the small circles are there in the group. Now we have to put 2 4s 8. So we have to put 4 small circles in the 2 groups. It means in the each group we have to put 4 circles. So let's put 4 small circles in the first group, first, second circle, third and fourth. You can see this, I just put the small circles 4 in the first group. Now let's put more 4 small circles in the another group. You can see this, I am putting just this 4 small circles. So there are total 8 small circles are there. Now here is, there are total 1 group, 1 7s are 7. It means we have to put small 7 circles in the 1 group. So let's put the 7 circle, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So total there are 7 circles we are putting in this group. Next one, here is 5 1s are 5. It means there are 5 groups and we have to put 1 small circles in the each group. So let's putting 1 in the first group, we are putting 1 circle, second group, third group, fourth group, and here is group number 5. So in the 5 group we are putting 1 circle in the each group. Now the next one, here is 3 4s. So here is total 3 groups and we have to put 4 circles in the each group. So let's start putting 3 circle in the each group. 4 circle in the each group. First, second, third and fourth. Let's put 4 more circle in the another group. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's put 4 more circles in the third group. 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can see this. We are putting the 4 circles in the 3 groups. Now here is 4 twos. It means here is a 4 groups, and we have to put 2 circles, small circles in the each group. So let's start putting the small circles. 1, 2. So here the first group is complete. 1, 2. Second group is also complete. 1, 2. Here the third group is complete. 1 and 2. So here 4 groups are complete with the 2 circles in each group. So here 2 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. So there are 2 groups and 0 means nothing. So we are not putting any small circles in the group, because here you can see 0. It means we are not putting anything. Now the next 3 twos are 6. It means there are 3 groups and we have to put 2 circles in each group. So let's start putting 2 circles, then another 2 circles and another 2 circles. This way we have to complete this worksheet. I hope you enjoy this. Next worksheet are there. We have to just write down the answers. There are 2 groups. Here is 2 and each group has 3 ducks. So 2 threes are 6, and the answer of 3 plus 3 is also a 6, and 2 threes is also a 6. Then here is 4 plus 4, 8. Here there are 2 groups and each group has 4 ducks. So 4 plus 4, 8. And here is 2 groups and each group has 4 ducks. So 2 fours are 8. This way we have to complete. Here is 2 groups and each group has 1 puppy. So there are total 2 puppies and 2 groups. That's why I put 2, and each group has 1 puppy. So 2 ones are 2. This way we have to do. Here is there are 5 groups and 5 groups. Total there are 2 groups and each group has 5 puppies. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. And then there are 2 groups and each group has 5 puppies. So 2 fives is also a 10. Then here is 2 groups and each group has 2 puppies. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. And 2 twos is equal to also a 4. Here is 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. And here is 2 group multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Now here is the exercise 7a. So let's revise it first. Here is we have to write down the multiplication sentence from the repeated addition sentence. The one has been done for you. Here is the 5 number is repeating 3 times. So we can say this 3 5s are 15. Here is number 1 is repeating how many times? So number 1 is repeating 7 times. So 7 ones are 7. Here is number 3 is repeating 3 times. So we can write down 3 3s are 9. You can see this, and we also write down the answer here, number 9. Now 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. But here number 6 is repeating 2 times. So 2 6 are 12. We have to write down the answer here also. Now here number 2 is repeating 10 times. So we can say this 10 2s are 20. We also can write down the answer here this way. So this is the question number 1. Now let's do question number 2. Here is 3 6 are 18. It means 6 are repeating 3 times. 6 number is add 3 times. You can see this. Now here 2 number we have to add 7 times this way. You can see this. I am adding number 2 7 times and the answer will 14. Now the next 4 fours are, it means we are adding 4 number 4 times this way. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 16, and we also have to write down the answer 16 here. Now 2 tens are, we are adding 10 number 2 times. It means 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Now here next one fives are. It means we are adding one number 5 times. This way. Number 1 we are adding 5 times. So we can write down the answer 5 ones are 5. Then the next and also a last 4 threes are, it means we are adding 3 number 4 times this way. And we have to write down the answer 4 threes are 12. I hope that you can understood how to write repeated addition sentence and also a multiplication sentence. Now we have to write down the repeated addition sentence also and also a multiplication sentence. So here there are 3 groups of 2. So we have to add 2 number 3 times this way. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. And here number 2 is repeating 3 times. 3 times the number 2 is repeating. So the answer will be 6. 3 2s are 6. Here there are 2 groups of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are small squares 6 in each group and there are 2 groups. It means 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. And here there are 6 number is repeating 2 times. So we can write down 2 6 are 12. Here there are 5 small triangles and there are 3 groups. So we can write down 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 15. And here number 5 is repeating 3 times. So we can write down 3. We are adding 5 number 3 times. It means 3 5s are 15. Now here there are 3 small circles and there are 3 groups. So we can add 3 number 3 times. You can see this way. So we are adding 3 number 3 times is equal to 9. And here number 3 is repeating 3 times. So we can say this 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. This way we have to write down this question number 3. Now let's learn more about the multiplication. Now here 1 and 0 in the multiplication. What is the role of 1 and 0 in the multiplication? So let's understood this. So here you can see this, there are the 3 triangles are there with the 1 circle in it. I am repeating this, there are 3 triangles with the 1 circle in it. So we have to add 1 number 3 times. You can see this, I am writing, we have to add 1 number 3 times is equal to 3 and 3 groups of 1 circle each, as I told you before. So the multiplication sentence will be 3 groups of 1 circle in each. So 3 ones are 3. Whenever you multiply any number with the 1, you will get the answer, the number only which you are multiplying. Here is, you can see this, here is the basket. 3 baskets are there with the 1 apple. I repeat this, there are 3 baskets with the 1 apple. It means we are adding 1 number 3 times. Again you can see this, I am adding number 1 3 times because there are 1 apple in the each basket and is equal to 3. Total there are 3 apples. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. So 3 groups of 1 apple in each. I repeat this, 3 groups of 1 apple in each. So the multiplication sentence will be, there are 3 groups of 1. So 3 ones are 3. So this way whenever you are multiplying any number with 1, you will get the number itself only. Now here is, there are 4 baskets with the 1 tomatoes in each basket. I repeat this, there are 4 baskets and there are 1 tomatoes in each basket. So we have to add 1 number 4 times This way we are adding one number 4 times. You can see this 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. It means we are adding one number 4 times is equal to 4. And you can see this 4 groups of 1 tomato in each group. It means the multiplication sentence will be 4 ones are 4 because there are 4 baskets and each basket has 1 tomato. So 4 ones are 4. Now you can see this, there are the nest with the one bird in each. So we have to add one number 4 times. This way you can see this, we are just adding one number 4 times is equal to 4 and 4 groups of one bird in each. There are 4 birds in each group, in the each nest. So the multiplication sentence will be 4 ones are 4. Whenever you are multiplying any number with the 1, you will get the number itself. We are multiplying 4 with 1, you will get the 4 number only. Let's see the next one. See this. When you multiply any number by 1, the answer is always that number which you are multiplying. So, just keep this in your mind. Remember this thing only, that whenever you are multiplying any number with 1, you will get that number only and the number itself only. Now, here is, you can see this is the empty bowls. These bowls are empty. There is nothing in this bowl. But how many bowls is this? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 bowls. It means 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to. So students, here you can see this. There are 5 bowls. There are nothing in this bowls. And how many bowls is this? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. But there are nothing. Nothing, it means what? Nothing, it means 0. So we are adding 0 number 5 times. This way you can see this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is equal to 0. Whenever you are, if you are adding 10 times 0, though you will get the answer 0 only, 0. So here there are nothing in the bowl. These bowls are empty. So you can say this, how many groups are there? How many groups are there, students? So there are 5 groups of idli in each. So whenever you are multiplying any number with 0, you will get the answer 0 only. Understood, students? So I hope that you are understood this, that how to do this. See this, here there are picture of 5 bowls. You can see this, there are picture of 5 bowls, but these bowls are empty. You can see this, these bowls are empty. There are nothing in it. And nothing, it means what? Nothing, it means the empty bowls. So empty, it means 0. So we are adding 0 number 5 times because there are 5 bowls. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 bowls. It means we are adding 0 number 5 times. This way you can see this, we are adding 0 number 5 times. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. How many times you are adding 0? So you will get the answer only 0. Now you can see these 5 groups of 0 idli in each. 0 idli, it means nothing. There are no any snacks idli in these bowls. So we can say this 5 groups of 0 idlis is equal to 0. Whenever you are multiplying any number with 0, you will get the answer 0 only. Just keep this in your mind. This is a rule. If you are multiplying 1000 with 0, you will get the answer 0. If you are multiplying 5 multiplied by 0, you will get the answer 0. Now here you can see this, there are pots. 2 pots are there, but these pots are empty. It means without any flowers. There are no any flowers. So there are nothing. And what is the meaning of nothing? Nothing means 0. So we are adding 0 2 times. You can see 0 plus 0. It means there are nothing in this flower pots. These pots are empty. So 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. So we can say this, 2 groups of flower in each. How many flowers? 2 groups of 0 flowers. You can see, read this here, 2 groups of 0 flowers in each. It means no flower in this pots. It means there are 2 pots. So I am putting here 2 and there are nothing in this. So I put 0 here. So whenever you are multiplying any number with 0, you will get the answer 0. So here we are getting the answer 0. Now here you can see the 3 plates are there. Here you can see the plates, but these plates are empty. And I can say this, these plates have nothing. There are nothing in this plate. What is the meaning of nothing? Nothing, it means 0. So we are adding 0 number 3 times 1, 2, 3. You can see this. I am adding 0 number 3 times is equal to 0 because there are 3 dish but there are nothing in this dish. So 3 groups of pizza in each group, right? There are 3 groups of 0 pizza in each group, and you can multiply 3 with 0. It means 3 multiplied with 0 is equal to 0. Now you can see the buckets are there. How many buckets are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 buckets. You can see this. Here you can see, students, there are 4 buckets. You can see this. There are the 4 buckets. So we are adding 0 number 4 times. But these buckets are empty. You can see this. There are nothing in this bucket. And you know the very well the meaning of the bucket. It means nothing. And nothing means 0. So we are adding 0 number 4 times this way. You can see this. So we can say this, 4 groups of no water in each. You can see this, there are no water in each. It means we are multiplying 4 number with 0. 4 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Now when you multiply any number by 0, the answer is always 0. This is the important note for you, that whenever you multiply any number by 0 with 0, the answer is always 0. So keep this in your mind. So let's have a worksheet first, and I hope you will enjoy this worksheet. This is very easy, students. 0 multiplied by 2 is equal to 0. As I told you before, that whenever you are multiplying any number by 0, you will get the answer 0. So here we are multiplying 0 with 2. 0 by 2 is equal to 0. Then 1 8 So here the rule for the 1, whenever you are multiplying any number with the 1, you will get the number itself. Here we are multiplying one number with the 8. So you will get the number 8. 1 8 8. Now the next one, 0, we are multiplying with the number 4. It means answer will be 0, is always 0. Next one, 0 multiply with 3. So you will get the answer 0. Just keep this in your mind, that whenever you are multiplying any number with a 0, you will get the 0. Now here we are multiplying number 7 with 1. So you will get the number itself. It means 7. 1 7 7. Hope you understood this. Now we are multiplying number 5 with 1. 1 5 5. Here the next one, 0 multiplying with the 6. It means you will get the answer 0. You have to understood this, you have to learn this, you have to write down this. Then and only then you can understood this. Now here we are multiplying one number with the 3. So 1 3 3. Then the next, 0 multiplied by 8. It means we are getting the answer 0. Now the next one, 1 multiplied by 0. It means 0, whenever you are multiplying any number with a 0, you will get the answer 0. Now the next one, 1 nines are. 1 nines are 9, number itself. 0 multiplied by 0, it means 0. Now 1 6 are, we are multiplying 6 number with the 1. So 1 6 are 6. Now the next one, 0 multiplied by 1, it means 0. Whenever you are multiply any number with the 0, you will get the answer 0. So that's why I am just telling you, I will solve the worksheet for you. 0 multiplied by 5, answer is 0. 1 multiplied by 4, answer is 4. Now 1 multiplied by 2, 1 2s are 2. This much easy this is. Now 0 multiplied by 7, it means 0. 1 multiplied by 1, it means 1. And 0 multiplied by 9 is equal to 0. So you have to write down this worksheet into your notebook, and this is very easy, students. Next is doubles. What is the meaning of doubles? What is the meaning of double numbers? So let me explain you what is the double numbers. Now here is when we can find double of a number. What is the meaning of double of a number? So let's understood with the help of some examples. So you will be better understood. Now here 1. There are two methods to adding the number. It means double the number. Adding it to self. It means whatever the number you want to double, you have to add the number itself. It means if you want to double number of 3, you have to add 3 into 3. So here you can see this, the example. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. This is the double number of 3. Whenever you are adding same number 2 times, it's a double of that number. Now here the doubles worksheet we have. 1 plus 1, this is the doubles. Same number adding 2 times, it's called the doubles. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 3 plus 3 is equal to how many? 6. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. And 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. And at the last, 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. So this is the double numbers, and this is the method of addition. Now, here is the double numbers worksheet for you, how you can use the doubles. Now the next method number 2, or by multiplying it by 2. Which number you have to want double, just multiply it with the 2. How? If you want to double number of 3, you have to multiply it with 2. 3 2s are 6. Let's see that how we can see. Here is some worksheet for you. 3 2s are, if I want to the double of 3, we have to multiply by with 2. 3 2s are 6. Then I want to double of number 5. So 5 2s are 10. Then I want to double of number 6. Then 6 2s are 12. This is very easy, students. Now I want to double number of 7. So 7 2s are 14. Now I want to double number of 1. So 1 2s are 2. Then I want to double of 2. So 2 2s are 4. Then I want to double number of 8. So 8 2s are 16. Next one, I want to double number of 10. It means 10 2s are 20. Here I want to double number of 9. So I have to multiply it with the 2. 9 2s are 18. Then if you want to a double number of 4, you can multiply it with the number 2. 4 2s are 8. Then 0 multiplied by 2. You will get the answer always 0. Here the double number of 8, 8 2s are 16. Then the double number of 7, you will get the answer 7 2s are 14. So this way you can just write down the doubles of the number by using the same number 2 times or by multiply with the number 2. So this way you can just complete this. Here is the double number of 7 is 14, and because why this is 14? Because we are adding 7 number 2 times, and you can call it 7 2s are 14. This is very easy, students. Double of 7 is 14, and because 7 2s are is 14. Now here is double of 5 is 10, and because 5 2s are, it means we are adding 5 number 2 times. 5 2s are is also a 10. So this way you have to just complete this, and you have to understood, and you have to make your own doubles. Any number, if you want to a double of 11, you have to add 11 plus 11, and you can also multiply the number 11 by 2. I will also explain how to multiply the 2-digit number in the next lecture. We will start the sums in the next lecture. So please prepare with the tables. Remember the tables properly. We will start the sums now, multiplication sums, and if you are not able to remember the tables, you are not solving the sums by yourself, so I request to all the students to write and learn the tables, remember the tables, so you are easily understood how to learn and how to solve the multiplication sums. It will be helpful to you, students, and thank you so much for watch this video. Just do your homework, stay home, stay safe, and we will meet in the next lecture with the multiplication sums. So bye bye, students.